And it's not just your eyes that need a reset. Your entire body needs to escape that static, seated position. That's where micro breaks come in. At least once an hour, just get up, stand up, reach for the ceiling, walk to the kitchen for a glass of water. It doesn't have to be a big production, but that simple act of moving fights all those negative effects of prolonged sitting by kickstarting your circulation again.
And let's complete our blueprint by optimizing the environment itself. Take a look at your lighting. Is it creating a nasty glare on your screen that's making you squint all day? And let's talk about that chair. It absolutely needs to have proper lumbar support to help you maintain the natural curve of your lower back. And remember, your desk and your chair, they aren't separate things. They're a system. They have to work together to support that neutral posture we just talked about. Okay, so a great ergonomic setup, that's half the battle. The other half is active care. And no, you don't need a gym membership or a ton of time for this. This is your 5-minute mobility fix, a series of incredibly simple movements you can do right there at your desk to release tension and fight off stiffness. Let's start with the neck, which is basically ground zero for desk worker tension. Just sit up tall in your chair, take a nice deep breath, and as you exhale, gently tilt your head to the right, like you're trying to touch your ear to your shoulder. You should feel a wonderful, gentle stretch along the left side of your neck. Hold it there for about 20 seconds. Remember, don't force it. Then slowly come back to the center and do the same thing on the other side. This is perfect for releasing that screen-gazing strain. Next up, let's tackle those shoulders, which always seem to creep up towards our ears when we're stressed or focused. So sit up straight and just do a big, exaggerated roll. Bring your shoulders up towards your ears, then roll them back and down, really feeling your shoulder blades gently squeeze together. Let's do that 10 times. Then reverse it. Roll them forward 10 times. This is fantastic for unlocking all that hunch-induced tension. Our wrists and forearms do so much work, so let's give them some love. Extend one arm straight out in front of you, with your palm facing up to the ceiling. With your other hand, gently pull your fingers down towards the floor till you feel a good stretch in your forearm. Hold it for 20 seconds. Now, for the other side of the muscle, flip your hand so your palm faces the floor, and this time, gently pull your knuckles back toward you. It's so important to stretch both sides to maintain balance and help prevent things like RSI. And we can't forget the hands themselves. This one is so simple but feels amazing. First, make a really tight fist, squeezing for just a couple of seconds to engage all those tiny muscles. Then, just explode your hand open and spread your fingers as wide as you possibly can. Really feel that stretch. Repeating this 5 to 10 times is a super powerful way to counteract that static, curled position our hands are in all day while we're typing. And finally, let's bring some life back into the spine to fight the stiffness that comes from sitting. Just scoot to the edge of your chair with your feet planted firmly on the floor. Keeping your back straight, take a deep breath in. As you exhale, gently twist your upper body to the right, maybe placing your left hand on your right knee for a little bit of leverage. Hold for a full breath. Feel that release in your back. Then slowly return to center and repeat on the left. This is a perfect way to keep your spine mobile and happy.